So we're back again. Like I said, I'm gonna try and make this more into a vlog, but today we got a couple things. I finally got that the VTEC solenoid thing. Got that in the mail right here. I think the numbers, well, I see it on the camera backwards, but yeah, that's it. So yeah, if you have a 06, I don't know if they're the same for every car, but if you have a 06 Acura RSX Type S VTEC solenoids 15810 PRB 103, and I actually got this one online. Pretty good deal. I saw them going for like, I think it was like 280, 240, and then this one just popped up for like 140. So hopefully it's not, it doesn't look fake. I still got to open this up and look at it, but from what I saw, it didn't look fake. I mean, I saw a bunch of knockoffs for like, you know, $30 to $40, but I wanted some OEM just because, you know, you go with that fake stuff, you're gonna get you're gonna have problems and issues in the future. So, or it might not last long. So yeah, this one looks legit. Here it is. Let's do that. Let's turn the car on, figure out what the code was so I could tell you guys. I'm gonna try and record most of the stuff that I'm doing. Sometimes I get lazy, and sometimes you just want to work on your car. Like, you don't want to be filming everything and it just takes forever. But you do want some content for your vlog, so it's important if you want to grow your channel and stuff, man. You want to show people what you're doing. And so two codes, 2647, and then the other one's 2647 PD. So I think they're related. And then I looked that up. It was like the VTEC solenoid thing. I also heard it could be a filter, which I think I brought it with me. So that's how much I paid, $481, and that's all you get right here. And that's inside that VTEC solenoid. And I guess what happens, this thing right here gets clogged up. $481. What's the part number? See if it's on here. That's right. Where is it? Right there. This is what I'm talking about right here. That piece right here. And I guess this plug right here goes bad. Like a little sensor there. So I guess this one goes bad all the time. But one thing I am gonna try. So I'm gonna check my oil level. I'm gonna do that. Then I'm gonna swap this out, put this back on, and then check the car again. And if that solves it, then I could either, you know, keep this for a little bit and then sell it, or help another member out maybe that might need it. So I'll just sell it to them for what I bought it for. So it was low on oil. I added some, maybe like half a quart. It's still on that bottom. Let's see it, if you guys can see that. Oh shit, dripping everywhere, but it hits the bottom circle. So I don't know if that's enough to build up pressure, enough for that check engine light to turn off. But look where it landed. Ooh. All right, two codes. Let's erase them. Erase. Yep. Alright, let's check the oil. See if it comes back. Like I said, I think we're still low on oil, so it might pop right back on. Yep, it's back. And we're still low on oil. So I don't know. I think I'm gonna go get some oil, come back, get it to the right level. So I think I'm gonna start there. Peep the dipstick. Oh yeah. Nah, I ordered that from ICB Motors, I think, online. They have like all this, you know, stuff from Japan or whatever. So got me a black one. Kind of goes with, you know, with the black and the silver and gray or whatever, and the polish. I don't know if I like, honestly, I don't know if I like this oil cap. I might put my OEM one back on until I find one. Everyone's got the K-tune, so I don't think I want that one. I don't know. I'll probably look around, see if I find a. So I don't really like how high it sticks up out of the thing, but I like that these two are the same color, you know. And then there's some black in there. The white kind of pops. It goes with the calipers, and I don't know. This also, you know, is polished right here, the K-tune part. So I don't know. Kind of just trying to keep the white, silver, black thing going. Let's go to Walmart, put my jacket on, and we'll get a little bit of more oil. So yeah, that's my car right there. That's my baby. Look at this big ass hole there. I'll show you this. My door. Thing is rusting. I gotta get me a door. But I'm actually gonna sell it. I'm selling this car. Nothing wrong with it. Thing runs great. Probably run for another 10 years. I don't know. But actually got me a grandma car. Got me this one. And it's probably just better for me and my kids. So I bought this one. I think it was like $1,000. Yeah, it was $1,000. It's a 2000 Avalon, and then that thing just cruises. Thing is, it's auto, and I don't have to worry about shifting all over the place, and it's 4-door, so it's easier for me. Also, this handle right here broke, but yeah. This one's the one I had. Oh, I just need one to do it. Let's grab this one. Alright, so I'm absolutely turning around. What the hell is that? Euro L. I was about to buy that, about to check out, and Platinum Euro L. BMWs and Mercedes. Definitely not that. This one. Full synthetic. It's a 530. This is the one I bought. Same one? Yeah. That's the one. Alright, so just got back again. Alright, so I added some oil. Let's check this again. Probably most likely gonna turn right back on. Yep. So, alright, so let's open this thing up. So there's that filter I was talking about right there that might be clogged. So it looks like 1, 2, 3. Yep. And then that comes off. And then we'll check this filter and come back to you guys. Alright guys, so I took it out and it was 3 bolts. Actually, I'm gonna go get them. So it's 3 bolts right there, 10 millimeter. So it's pretty simple. So from the looks of it, that thing looks clean. Like, it is clean. I didn't see any issues in there. Like, this filter looks brand new. So I'm not even gonna try the filter thing. Leaves you to believe now that it might have just been this piece right here. Alright, so got that back in. So plug everything back and then test again. Like I said, guys, I don't think it was that little filter thing, and it's not the oil. We got enough oil now, so I don't know, swap out the whole thing and be done with it. So moment of truth, let's turn this thing on. Reset it again. Shit's crazy. I haven't even turned you on. Oh, it's back. So yeah, I don't know what it could be now. Alright guys, so I'm actually plugged my computer in and with ktuner and all that, and I found Actually found an option here for my code 2647, a rocker arm stuck VTP. So I kind of checked that off, and I'm gonna reflash it. Just doing it right now. I don't know, I revved my engine and it wasn't stuck at all. Like usually people say, they can't go past a certain RPM, but my car seems fine. So I'm just gonna flash it with that checked off, and then it should be good. And I already see that it's not on. All right, so I pretty much changed everything, and that whole time it was that I had to disable it inside ktuner. At least we know the car is good. So 3 things you want to do: you want to check your oil, make sure that's good. You want to change that little screen. That's probably the next step. And then if that doesn't work and you want to avoid all that, just change the whole solenoid like I did, which I probably didn't even have to. My solenoid's probably still good, so I'll probably put that up for sale. If anyone needs one, I have one. So yeah, I hope somebody did benefit from this video. Kind of learned from what I did. As far as that solenoid goes, I mean, it could be any one of those things. So yeah, that's it. How to fix the 2647 code, and I think 2646 as well. So yeah, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.